Assalamu alaikum students, I hope you all are fine. Students, we are in unit 1, that is networks and communication. In the last lesson we discussed different communication devices, and in today's lesson we will discuss the physical transmission media used for networks and communication. Physical transmission media. Physical media means the wired medium, or which is consist of some cable, etc., that are used to send and receive a communication signal from one computer to another area, called physical transmission media. Examples of physical transmission media are twisted pair cable, coaxial cable, fiber optic cable. These are the pictures of these different types of physical media. This one is fiber optic cable. You can see the labels with these different types of physical media or wires. This one is the fiber optic cable. We will talk about all these three different cables in the coming slides in more detail. This one is the twisted pair cable and coaxial cable. These three are the most commonly used physical transmission media in the world. First one is twisted pair cable. Twisted pair cable is the oldest, simplest, inexpensive and commonly used transmission medium. Here you can see the picture of this twisted pair cable. It is the best choice for short distance communication. It consists of a pair of wires that are made up of copper, which is clear from the image that it consists of pairs of wires. Here in this cable we are having 4 pair of 2 wires in each and every pair. That's why it is called twisted pair cable. Further, the pairs are twisted, so that's why it is called twisted pair cable. Each pair of wires is twisted together to reduce noise. The purpose of this twisting is to reduce noise or unwanted data in the signal. It is inexpensive to install and easy to maintain, so it's more cheaper as compared to the other mediums. Twisted pair cable is used by older telephone networks. It is often used in LAN. LAN stands for local area network. You already know this, because it is less expensive than coaxial cable. RJ45 connector. RJ stands for registered jack. It's a type of connector. RJ45 connector is used to connect twisted pair cable. This is the picture of RJ45 connector, and when we connect at the end of a twisted pair cable, when we connect this RJ45 connector at the end of twisted pair cable, then it look like this. This is the upper side of this RJ45 connector, and this one is the lower side. So it will look like this when we connect the RJ45 connector with the twisted pair cable. Second, coaxial cable. Coaxial cable is another popular type of communication transmission medium. It was the first cable type used to connect computers together. Coaxial cable is made up of copper wire covered by insulating material, which provides protection to the signals from the outside interference. Here we can see that this thin wire, which is a copper wire, it is covered by this insulating material. Further, it is surrounded by this copper mesh, and further the outermost cover is also a kind of insulation, which is called outside insulation. All these insulating materials are just for protecting the copper wire from outer interference, which provides more efficient transmission of data. That's why this copper wire is covered with 3 layers of insulating materials. It is light, flexible and easy to maintain. It is the same cable that is used for cable television. It is more expensive than the twisted pair cable and can carry much more data. So because the bandwidth of coaxial cable is higher as compared to the twisted pair cable, and the speed of data or the efficiency of communication through coaxial cable is more as compared to the twisted pair cable, that's why it is more expensive as compared to the twisted pair cable. BNC, Bayonet Needle Concealment. This is a connector which in short we call it BNC connector, is used to connect coaxial cables. So whenever we want to connect the coaxial cable with our LCDs or computers or with our devices, for that purpose we use the BNC connector with this coaxial cable. This is the picture of BNC connector. The third fastest and widely used cable, that is fiber optic cable, and the most expensive and most efficient one. Fiber optic cable is one of the most advanced and expensive type of communication medium. It is made up of thin glass fibers which are slightly thicker than a human hair, just like as shown in this figure. If we can see that these blue thin lines are the wires, or they are the glass fibers through which the signals or the data flows. These fibers are contained in a protective tube suitable for any environment. So these thin fibers, they are covered by protective tubes. Here in this picture we can see that core means the actual fiber, the thin fiber. It is covered by the cladding. Cladding is a very tough material which protects this core from outside environment. Further, the cladding is enclosed in another coating, and then it is enclosed in another strength member, another protective shield, and then the outermost jacket. So all these shields are just to protect the innermost thin wire, which is a glass fiber wire, from the outside environment. That's why this cable is a very tough and a very strong type of cable and therefore it is the most reliable communication physical transmission medium, and the fastest and the most expensive one also. Fiber optic cables allow transmission over long distance and at a very higher speed in network communication. Just because that in fiber optics cable the data moves with the speed of light, actually, because we know that this core is made up of a glass wire, and it uses the phenomena of total internal reflection, as you already studied it in 7th class channel science book. So it uses the total internal reflection phenomena for transmission of signals from one place to another, which is at the speed of light. That's why it is the fastest transmission medium. So it allows transmission over long distances and at a very higher speed in network communication. There are very less chances of data loss. It is difficult to install. Nowadays, fiber optic cables are widely used for internet services and long distance telecommunications. Okay students, that's it for today. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe my channel Computer Tuition Academy. Thanks a lot. Take care. Allah Hafiz.